She is smiling. She is happy. The ice cream is cold. The sun is very hot today. An elephant is big. A mouse is small. He has a lot of money. He is rich. This car is $100,000. It is expensive. The exam is not hard. It is easy. A turtle is slow. A plane is fast. I want to eat pizza. I am hungry. I want to drink water. I am thirsty. The glass has no water. It is empty. I worked all day. I am very tired. This t-shirt is only $5. It is cheap. He is 90 years old. He is old. The baby is only 2 months old. He is young. This flower is very beautiful. Basketball players are usually tall. I can't carry this bag. It is heavy. This pillow is very soft. The street is not noisy. It is quiet.
Yummy!
I am not afraid of lions. I am brave. My shoes are new and clean. The movie is not good. It is bad. I have a new phone. I bought it yesterday. The bus is full. There are no seats. Don't touch that. It is dangerous. The coffee has no sugar. It is bitter.